Hello everyone. I am Dr. Animesh Burman, faculty in the Department of Audiology at All India Institute of Speech and Hearing located at Mysore, Karnataka. This video has been created to create awareness among general public about aging and hearing loss. Let us first understand about our hearing system. Our hearing system can be grossly divided into two parts, the ear and the auditory nervous system. As you can see in the picture, the ear has three parts, the external ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. Inner ear has two small cells which help us to hear sounds. The ear is a single channel or single path auditory system, means the information has to pass through one route to reach the higher center, which is highlighted with the green circle. So, any problem in the ear will not only cause hearing loss, it also affects our ability to understand speech. Actually, auditory nervous system takes the information from the ear and send to brain for us to hear and understand. What you can see in the picture is that our auditory system is a multi-channel system, means information from the ear can go to brain through the multiple neural pathways as highlighted with the green circle. So, any problem in one or two channels will not lead to hearing loss. But all these channels are important probably for us to understand complex signal like speech. With age, our body undergoes several changes, and these changes are mainly due to loss of cells or neurons. Loss of cells or neuron can also happen even in our auditory system, and which might result in problem in understanding speech or hearing. As you can see in the picture, there can be loss of cells in the inner ear as highlighted with red circle. This will lead to hearing loss as our ear is a single channel system. Initially, they tend to have hearing loss only for high tone stimulus, as can be seen in the figure, which is highlighted with the red circle. Person having this type of hearing loss will have problem with hearing some speech sounds as indicated with the red circle, and will be able to hear some other speech sounds as indicated with green circle. Person will be able to hear normal conversation but will have problem in understanding what is being exactly said, because person with high tone hearing loss will not be able to hear all these speech sounds which are important for us to understand speech. As the age progresses, severity of hearing loss tends to increase because more and more number of cells tend to die. This will lead to more hearing problem, which will also affect our understanding speech, as the most of the speech sounds will not be audible. If there is a loss of neurons in the auditory system, it may not cause hearing loss, but will affect our ability to understand speech. It is difficult for us to exactly pinpoint and say what could be the prevalence of age-related hearing loss. As you can see in the graph, prevalence changes with age. The graph is basically trying to indicate that as age increases, loss of cells or neurons are likely to increase, leading to more and more hearing loss in more and more number of people. It also indicates that there could be many more people who are also likely to have hearing loss below the age of 65 years. However, age and rate at which loss of cells or neurons occurs can be due to several factors like family history of hearing loss, medical history like hypertension, diabetes, etc. Predisposing factors can also exaggerate the problem like exposure to noise, smoking, or intake of alcohols. Also, passive lifestyle, inadequate intake of balanced diet, etc. can also increase the rate of loss of our cells. If a person is experiencing problem in understanding speech or hearing loss with aging, he or she can contact an ENT specialist or an audiologist. There can be overlay problem of middle ear or external ear, and which can be taken care of or taken care by the ENT specialist. However, age-related changes mainly affect the inner ear and auditory nervous system. Hence, it is preferable to consult an audiologist if the person has problem only with understanding speech. Then the audiologist will administer a series of audiological tests and try to find the reason for having problem in understanding speech. And based on the test results, audiologists will advise suitable communication strategies. However, if the person has hearing loss, this can be easily corrected with the help of hearing aid. There are different types of hearing aids available having different features. After carrying out systematic audiological evaluation, an audiologist will be in a position to select the most appropriate hearing aid based on the person's need. For further details, one can consult an audiologist or can contact or consult at All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysore. The details are shown here. Let us join our hand for better hearing and better health. Thank you.